Oh fuck, I almost fucking lost it there.
The highway's jammed with broken heroes on a last chance power drive. Everybody's out on the rough and ice, but there's no place left to hide.
The first thing I'm going to say, it's going to be wicked fucking hard to focus on riding and talking at the same time. I don't know how quickly I'm going to be going around this course, especially on a bike that is a rental. Let's put in a good drop. Front straight away. Power, 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 power. Power. Back straight away. Full throttle, full throttle. Brake hard, brake hard, brake hard. Downshift to second. Sharp, sharp corner. Run it out. Power up the hill. Full throttle, red line in second. 80 miles an hour over the hill. Into the bowl. Power up in third gear. Keep leaning, lean, 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 lean. Down into turn 9. Hit the spot, come right next to the wall. Power. brake, downshift. I missed that corner. Full power. Let's see if I can get 100. 100. Try and get my ass off the seat. Point the knee, foot in. Full power in third. Brake hard, brake hard, brake hard, brake hard. Downshift is second. Power up the hill, lean, 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 power. Red line in third. On the brakes. It's really hard to talk and ride fast. I gotta focus on the riding now. Fuck. I almost fucking lost it there. Fucked up this turn. I can hear somebody behind me.